A friend? Outside?
Can she come in?
Come in? Yes. Yes, of course. What is she doing standing outside?
Hello.
Jessica, this is Beth. Beth, this is Jessica.
It's very kind of you.
Hi. Your hair, it's wet.
Oh, it's raining.
Let me get you a towel.
That's very kind of you.
Thanks.
Oh, here's one.
But that's your towel.
I don't mind, really.
I have clean ones, dry ones.
This is clean.
But it's not dry.
It's very soft.
I have others.
There, I'm dry.
You can't be.
What a great place you have.
Isn't it? It's a bit bright, maybe.
Too much light?
Do you mind?
No. Can I get you anything? Hot chocolate? I was getting lonely sitting here. I mean, it's not like I'm not happy here. I am. Do you remember that little place we shared in Washington, in the Village? Boy, I've come a long way since then. I paid for this in cash. Did you see the stereo? There's a lot to show you.